And SFDR is the difference between this power minus the noise level. See, we have always a noise as our reference in the lowermost end, and here we are going to find out what is the IP3 product power minus delta P1. So, and you know delta P1 is IYP3 minus NOI by 3. Substitute that here. So IIP3 minus IIP3 minus NOI by 3 minus NOI. So it is 2 by 3 IIP3 minus NOI. So NOI is the noise level which we have at the bottom. Input noise power, input noise level. Okay. And IIP3 is the you have here. So the difference between these two is going to be our SFDR. So IIP3 minus delta P1 minus NOI. So it is actually IIP3. If you remove the bracket, the IIP3 minus NOI minus delta P. So total noise minus the actual power referred to the third order slope. So that is why we are dividing by 3. So the final SFDR equation becomes equal to 2 by 3 times IIP3 minus NOI. So the input referred noise power is going to be, it is because of the thermal noise. See, this noise is from the thermal noise, and this noise is because of your intermodulation product. So always, whatever the lowermost bound we take, that is going to be the noise from the system. And internally generated noise, we have the term as IIPC. That is the noise not coming from outside. It is going to be coming from your amplifier itself. So SFDR is indeed one end, it is bounded by IIP3, and other end by the noise floor. See here, IIP3 minus noise floor. So the difference is going to be the SFDR. And the 2 by 3 coming into play because of the way we have defined the limits. Because the slope is, we are taking IM3 product, I am dividing it by 3. If I take IM4, accordingly I will be dividing it by 4. So the fraction, whatever comes outside, depends on what IM product we are going to consider. This I can write SFDR is proportional to IIP3 minus NOI. So NOI is from the system internal noise, and IIP3 is the external noise, internal noise coming from the system because of nonlinearity, and NOI is the noise coming externally as well as internally, which has nothing to do with IMD. So all the IMD noise will come under one term IIP3. All other noise will come under the term NOI. Okay. So this is a very, very important topic in linearity and last signal performance of your amplifier, deriving what is the expression for SFDR, the third order IP3 point, the 1 dB compression point, and the different methods to estimate the third order IIP3 points. Okay.